Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and I got another kit unboxing today. Things started, the floodgates opened, and Tom Bill started shipping me stuff. Yesterday I had the, I had the SVG kit yesterday, and today I've got the Josh Berry kit. Let me try to turn that thing so it doesn't have too awful much glare on it. How's that? There we go. I got the Josh Berry kit, so let's take a look and see what's going on inside. So once again, the color on my monitor is not quite what the color is on the box, but here we go with the box of the 2025 Dark Horse Mustang. This is the Wood Brothers kind of a throwback scheme to when they pitted for Jim Clark at the 1965 Indianapolis 500. That was when Jim Clark won that race, and that Lotus 38 is in the process of being made into our first multimedia kit. So you will be seeing that before too awful long. So let's look inside. So, as usual, there are our clear tree. There is the hood. It's kind of hard to see too much in the plastic. Let's see. It's not like it makes a whole lot of difference seeing what it looks like in the plastic because I got the body to check out. It is darker than what you're seeing on your screen. Sorry, it just I don't know. I got to do some playing around with the color of light on here so that it looks a little bit more accurate. But there's our green hood. Here is our what would this be? I mean, this is a Robin Hood in tights dark forest green, I would expect. So there you go, British racing green. We'll just call it British racing green. How's that? Okay, round and squishies are round and squishy. Okay, I did the unboxing of this yesterday. We don't need to go through that. Look at the videos if you want to make any adjustments on stuff. But I don't need to go back through all the parts there. So look at that. We've got another tree of another hood and stuff. You don't need that hood because that's the old style hood, but you will need the dash, the spoiler. You will not use the air vents, the exhaust vent from the radiator, because you'll be using these. It's different on the Dark Horse hood, but you will also use the snorkel here. Okay, now we get to the pretty part of the show. So there's our placemat. You've seen that a bunch of times. Here is our decal placement directions. Glue in the windshields, glue on the spoilers and stuff, drop that on. Hey, I'm going to be posting a video shortly that Rick did. It's from the Saturday show on making adjustments to the under tray and to the body to make sure they fit. Make sure the under tray is flat and make sure the body fits. It's a good little video and you will want to watch that. So here is the decal sheet. So yellow will go on there. Going to be a great looking kit, guys, and of course Clay Kemp did just an outstanding job, and it's going to be a great kit, great build. And let's see, here's our, yes, this is the new Dark Horse. It is, what does it say? 2024-25 Mustang Dark Horse Common. So those are your grills and stuff on the new Dark Horses. So there you go with those. So there's all sorts of good stuff coming from the boys in Southern California that these should be shipping out, I do believe, on Tuesday. That would be 25th, 26th, 27th of May. So those are going out Monday, or Tuesday, excuse me. Monday, of course, is Memorial Day holiday. Right now, as you watch this, we have a sale on our website. So if you go there, you can get a 20% off on all in-stock items. That does not include the May kits, but it's everything from April on before. Whatever we have in stock, 20% off. And if you are a club member, that's 20% off on your normal discounted price. So it's a pretty good deal for club members too. So of course it is. Anyway, tune in tomorrow on Saturday morning, or every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Central Time here on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. We'll give you up-to-dates on what I'm working on. We'll talk trash about each other, and some bench racing and styrene sniffing and stuff like that. So join us Saturday mornings here on YouTube live. Rick, myself, very often we have our good friend Mr. Matt Conti, aka Lucas C. Sometimes we'll have some other people. I'm not sure that we're going to have a video tomorrow because this is the race weekend of the year, so it's going to be very busy, and we got a lot of race talk, and I wouldn't be surprised if the show goes a little long. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for building Salvinos J R Models. You're making a couple old men very happy. My partner Rick Salvino and I greatly appreciate it. So let's get out of here and get some things done with your afternoon.